Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. I'm going to go through the last 10 days of ES Emini Futures on the 5 minute. Now, I'm using the ThinkorSwim Ultimate Day Trading Package, which includes harmonic pattern recognition tool, the XBRAD algo, the divergence cloud, and the EMA cloud. So this is a toolbox of tools. You don't use them all at the same time sometimes, and sometimes you do. The idea is this set of tools on your chart will give you trading opportunities. So I'm going to go through the last 10 days, winners, losers, bad, ugly, and everything else, and talk about what trades I would have taken if they were winners or losers, why I wouldn't take some of the trades, and everything like that. So let's go through the last 10 days. Today is the 4th, I think it's the 4th or the 3rd of March, so we're going back 10 days, 3rd of March 2021. So we have a bat pattern formed here on the 5 minute. There was a 6-star sell during that bat pattern, but there was no divergence cloud to back it up. So when we get a signal for these, we are, especially XBRAD, we're looking for that backup of the divergence cloud, and we'll go through that. So that wasn't a trade. Now we have the bat pattern complete in the automated completion zone. We are looking for a short trade. Okay, so at the moment the divergence cloud is green, so we're not going to go short just yet. Then we go to neutral, and then we start to push down below the EMA cloud. The red arrow is the start of the divergence cloud forming. So this is our signal candle. So we've had the identification, if you like, from the harmonic pattern, the bat pattern, to say you need to be looking for a short. We've then got confirmation from the divergence cloud. We're also below this EMA cloud, the pink cloud. So this is our short. This is the signal candle, so we're going to go short just below here, about 3,919, and then we get as low as 3,896. So really great trade. This comes back to test the EMA cloud, doesn't close above. Again, tests, doesn't close above, comes back down, tests, actually now closes above, and that's where we get out the trade. So we're looking for that EMA cloud to then manage our trade. So one trade taken, one winner. I'm going to keep a bit of a tally here. Moving on. Same day, we have a nice move up, take us out the short. Then we get this 5-star buy. Okay, 5-star buy. The divergence cloud is green. All is good in the world. Let's go long. We go long just above the signal candle there, about 3,919. The stop for this sort of trade's just got to be below the EMA cloud, because that's what we're going to use to manage the trade. So then trade continues, goes through, keeps going through to the next day, and then finally we get a close below the EMA cloud, and that is when we take our profit. So 2 trades, 2 winners. Going into the next day, we get a 5-star sell on this candle. Okay, divergence cloud is red. We are looking for a short. The short entry is below the signal candle. After the signal candle, we don't actually go below there until the price action comes back down, and we get a 6-star sell breaking that divergence cloud is red. That's the trade. We come back up, test the EMA cloud, fails, doesn't come back down. We get a 5-star buy here on the XBRAD, but no divergence cloud to back us up. We get a close above this. This is a break-even trade, okay, for this 6-star sell. So I'm going to put a break-even in there on my tally. Going into the next day, we have a crab, same day, we have a crab pattern form. During that we have a 6-star sell. Okay, we don't get any backup from the divergence cloud, so we don't trade that short. In effect, this crab does complete in the automated completion zone. Remember, we are looking for a move up above this EMA cloud, and we're looking for some divergence cloud confirmation. We do get the green arrow here. We don't get a close above the EMA cloud here. We do get a close above on this one. So our entries are above this at around about 3916.38. It doesn't trigger. It goes back down. We get a 6 stop. So it was a great crab pattern. It completed, but we didn't get the backup from the divergence cloud. And when we did, it just pulled back down again. So no trade. But this time, it comes back down below the EMA cloud, the pink. We get a 6-star sell signal. We get the divergence cloud backing us up. We go short. The price action moves down. It comes to test the EMA cloud, doesn't close above, it comes down again, and finally closes above here. So this is another winning trade. So far we've found the reasons why not to trade. We've had 4 trades, 3 winners, 3 break-evens in the last 10 days. Let's keep moving. Further on in the day, we get a 6-star buy, backed up by the divergence cloud. This back pattern is still forming at that point, so we go long. We manage it with the EMA cloud, and this is a little winner. You know, winner's a winner. So that's 4 winners. Now, this bat pattern completed, this is an automated completion zone here in purple. It completed way above there. So there's no short trade coming from that harmonic pattern. You've got to stick to the rules. Okay, so then we're moving back down on the next day. We get a 5 and a 6-star sell. We've got no divergence backup at this confirmation at this point. However, the divergence cloud comes in here. Okay, this is our signal candle. Look where the divergence cloud comes in, just below the price for that signal candle. We take that short. Okay, we don't have to take it right when that signal candle gives us, but we've got a signal candle and move up from there. So we've got a potential entry here at 3903.25. Then we get the divergence cloud forming on this candle, and by the time it gets really red, we're through and we're into this trade on the 6-star sell. Moves down, comes to test the EMA cloud once, fails, comes down, closes up above, profit taken because the trading stop is there. So that's 5 winners, no losers, 1 break even. We get no signal here on an XBRAT or a divergence, or a harmonic. We do get the divergence cloud arrow, up arrow, going green, okay, and once you can just trade the dry divergence cloud if you wish. There's no, the signal is that green arrow, but then we want to make sure the cloud starts to form. We then move up and get a close above the EMA cloud, the pink EMA cloud. So that's the entry for just using the divergence. Again, a toolbox is a set of tools. You don't use them all at the same time. Sometimes you only use 1, sometimes you use 2. If you're using XBRAT or harmonic, you must have the divergence cloud as confirmation. But if the divergence cloud gives a signal on its own, and we are above this EMA cloud, in this case for the long, this is a good looking trade. We use the EMA cloud for a trailing stop, and it doesn't really take it out actually until all the way up here. So that's another winning trade. Moving on to the next day, we get a 5-star sell signal. This is the signal candle. The entry would be 3913.50, but it moves up from there. We never get the entry. We get a 5 and a 6-star buy. We get no backup from the divergence cloud. Then the price action starts to come back down, and hey presto, through this 5-star, that 3913.50, divergence clouds go red. We get the short trade here. Then we move back up. We come and test the EMA cloud once, twice. then finally the third time to take us out on that trading stop. Another winner. Not had a losing trade yet because we've been very strict with the rules. We get us then the next day. Where are we now? The 19th of February. So we move down. We get a 6-star sell here. No divergence cloud backup at that stage. The signal candles here. The low is around about 3901.25 would be the entry. Hey, guess what? Divergence cloud gives us confirmation we go short here. So we still go short at the 3901.25. Comes back up to test the cloud, doesn't close above, doesn't close above, doesn't close above, and then goes even further down. So this is a really big trade. We're moving up and finally closes above the EMA cloud, another winner. So we're on 8 winners, 1 break even at the moment. We get an EMA cloud signal here. Again, this is only one toolbox. We do get a close up above here. You know, this one would have been a losing trade, and we've got to say this. You know, we were taking that other divergence cloud indication. This is here. We get a close up above just here. Our entry would have been above this candle at 3876.85. Stop would have been below this pivot, and it just came down and broke the stop slightly there. Okay, so that's one loser. We get a 5 and a 6-star buy here. No divergence cloud backup at all until it gets to this point here. Okay, so the 5-star candle is 3884.75 would be the entry. So you know, really we don't start getting until it gets above there. So this is not a trade. We don't get the backup at those prices from the divergence cloud until it's too late. Sometimes you miss them. Then conversely though, we get the divergence cloud signal here coming down through this EMA cloud. We get the red arrow. Cloud's gone red. We go short, probably just here, around about 3882.75. Comes down, tests the EMA cloud, doesn't close above, comes down further, and then finally closes up above the EMA cloud, and that's a winner chicken dinner again. So let's put that on there. Now we get another EMA divergence cloud signal. There was a 6-star sell here, guys. We were already in this trade, remember? There was no divergence cloud backup to add to that, so we leave it. We get a divergence cloud bullish signal here. We go long above 3882. That was a very slight loser with that EMA cloud set at 34 there. So you know, it's a little loser, but it's a loser. Then the next signal we get is an EMA cloud, a divergence cloud, sorry, here on this candle. We wouldn't probably look to go short until we got below here around about 3886.25. We get a 6-star buy here, no backup from the divergence cloud, and then we get this 6-star sell signal backed up by the divergence cloud here. So this is a 6-star expert signal. We're below the EMA cloud, so we're good. Divergence cloud is red, we go short. If we're not short on this one, we'll just class it as one trade. We're short on this one. Comes all the way down. Do we get a close up above? Just here, but still a winner. So we are 10 winners, 2 losers, 1 break even so far. Let's continue on this 10-day run. We get 4, 5, 6-star sell signals here. No backup from the divergence cloud. Entry needs to be around about 3849.75. Eventually we get the backup from the divergence cloud, but for me that's too late. We're through the entry. That divergence cloud arrow is here. We're too late on that one, way below the entry, so no trade. We get a 6-star buy signal here on this candle. No backup from the divergence cloud on this point, but we do start to get the divergence cloud to go green here. So our entry is going to be up above there at 3864.75. Price action never goes there, doesn't trigger, no trade. We get 4, 5, 6-star sells, no backup from a red divergence cloud, no trade. we get 5-star buy on the XBRAD Algo. We've got backup from the green divergence cloud here. Entry 3855.85, comes back down to test. We get another 6-star buy. So if you miss the 5-star, the 6-star is good because the divergence cloud, I'm saying this fast because it's just happens so easily, comes through. So we go long. Eventually comes below the EMA cloud. You could take it at the highs there once you start to see that you know, that you run out of juice, but that's another winner. Okay, then we get next day we've got a 5 and a 6-star buy here. 5-star not backed up by the divergence cloud. 6-star is backed up by the divergence cloud. So entries here. Finally, oh, that is a little loser. It's a little loser. Okay. So basically, we've got to be honest and open here that the 6-star did get that divergence cloud back up, and we just got tiptoed into this trade and then just out. I mean, to be honest, it was a very small loser, but it's still a loser. We get then a divergence cloud arrow. We're backed up with a 5 and a 6-star sells. Okay, so if we take the 5-star, we're in it already. Doesn't come to break the EMA cloud. 6-star, we're not in it all yet, but then we don't close above the EMA cloud. We come down all the way down here, and then finally we close above the EMA cloud. Another winner. Then we keep going. Okay, trading futures, 24-hour product. We get a 5-star buy, backed up the divergence cloud. We go long, keeps going, finally closes just below that EMA cloud there to take another winner. Keep moving forward. 6-star sell, backed up by the divergence cloud, comes through, closes up above. That's about a break even. We get a 6-star buy here. Not backed up by the divergence cloud yet. It is here. So this is the entry around about 3885. Goes long, keeps going long into the next day. Finally, we're going to close below that EMA cloud to take the profit again. Now we're moving forward. Okay, we keep going forward. We've got a crab pattern forming here. We've got 5 and 6-star sells on the XBRAT, backed up by the divergence cloud. Good looking trade. Okay, really comes down, comes back up, close up above, another winner. 15 winners. We get the pattern complete, the crab pattern complete in this completion zone. We're looking for a long. Remember, we need backup by the divergence cloud to go green. We get the green arrow here for the divergence cloud. So next candle, we're looking to go long above this candle. It doesn't happen. The trade doesn't happen. No trade. Then get a 6-star sell here, backed up by the divergence cloud. Comes to test the EMA cloud. Comes down. Comes to test. And eventually close up above for a break even. Let's keep moving forward. Okay, there was no signal here, remember, to take this short. We were in on the 6-star, but this is where those different time frames comes in, because you may have got on a 3-minute a signal to go short here on the XBRAT. So you've got to have windows open on the different time frames. So eventually do get a 6-star sell, but no divergence backup until this candle here. It doesn't go any lower, so no trade. Keep moving forward. No green arrows for the divergence cloud there. We've got a red arrow for the divergence cloud here, but we'd be going short here, the no trade. Get a 6-star buy, no backup from the divergence cloud, no trade. We get you can't see the divergence cloud in there, but there is the red arrow, the 6-star sell. We go short, comes back up, break even. Okay, then we get a butterfly pattern complete here. And then we move down, we've got divergence cloud back up, we've also got a 6-star sell, so this is a good trade coming from this harmonic. and eventually that gets taken out. Just a little bit of profit. We've had little losers, little winners. Again, some of you would have seen this big move down and taken the profit near the low. We get a 6-star buy. Long video, guys, but this is 10 days trading, the ultimate day trading toolbox, going through all of the winners, the losers, why we wouldn't and why we would take the trades. 6-star buy, no backup from the EMA cloud, from the divergence cloud. Sorry, it comes a little bit too late there. This, you know, the entry for this one probably would have been here, and that would have been a break even. Okay, we get a 6-star sell. We don't get a backup until here. Again, taking it around about 3820.25, comes back up, slight loser. Okay, so 4 losers now. 6-star buy on the XPRAT here, not backed up by the divergence cloud until this arrow, so our entry's got to be above here, and it never goes up above really. We come back down, but then this bat pattern completes. Divergence cloud is red there, so we've got to wait for it to turn, but then we get backups from the 4, 5, 6-star buys on the XPRAT. Divergence cloud is green, we go long. Okay, takes it out there, profit, another winner. Going sideways, we get a 6-star buy next, no divergence cloud backup, don't take the long. Here, 6-star buy, divergence cloud backup, there's the green arrow. The entry here is long at 3854.50, and this thing is a monster, just keeps going, and then EMA cloud is taken out here, so another winner. Moving forward, divergence cloud trade here would have been a loser. Crowd pattern forming, but completes below the automated completion zone. No good, don't take the trade. 6-star sell, however, with the backup of the divergence cloud, we take this trade. Moves down, comes to test the cloud, fails, comes down, breaks the cloud, winner. 6-star buy, no backup from the divergence cloud, don't take the trade. Divergence cloud trade here. Got the green arrow, go long here, comes all the way up, test the EMA cloud, fails, comes back up again, finally closes up above, winner. We have a 6-star XPRAT sell here, really good. We get the entry, comes down, test, just closes above the EMA cloud here, that is a break even. We are hopefully getting towards the end of this 10-day period. 6-star buy here, backed up by the divergence cloud, go long, comes back down, closes just below that. That is another break even. Then we get the 4, the 5-star sells on the XPRAT, no backup from the divergence cloud, but we do get it on the 6-star. This is a good trade. Comes back up, just closes up above there, and that is a winner. Running out of paper here. 6-star buy, we've got to go low here. This is a 6-star, this is the backup, we've got to go low here, just tips us into this trade. That is a little loser, but it's a loser. Keep moving forward, and that's where we are right now. So I've gone through 10 days of ES. The last 10 days we have had 5, 10, 15, 21 winners, 7 break-evens and 6 losers. Overall, that's a really good win rate. Again, it's a 24-hour product, so I've gone through the whole 24 hours. But to be honest, guys, if you're serious traders, you've got to see what's in the groove as far as these signals are concerned, and when you get some real moves on that ES contract. And you've got to time your trading day around that if you're a serious full-time day trader. But again, really great win rate, simple trading strategies, combining these to get some really great looking trades. So hopefully that helps. I know it's a little long, but hey, that's 10 days in ES using this ultimate day trading toolbox.